Rip it off.
Yep, this is gonna take all day.
Mom, that wasn't a very good rip.
Yeah.
Rip it open, Aiden. What'd you get?
A surprise! A surprise! Toy Story!
Oh,
Oh my goodness.
did you get a movie?
I wonder how many Toy Story sucker Santa brought you.
Oh.
Alvin Still.
What movie is it, Aiden?
Surprise movie. Toy Story
A movie.
You are so lucky. Is that your favorite?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hold it up so Mom can see. Show it off. You say thanks, Santa.
Santa.